4 steps to train your brain to have more money in life. Let's talk today about this. Hi friends, my name is Priyanka and I am money coach, health coach. I am a transformation coach and I do energy therapies and I am the one who can take you from your problematic situations to the desired conditions in your life towards your dream life. So, what are those 4 things that can help you in achieving more money and how can you train your brain for that? Let's talk today. The first thing that comes in training your brain for having more money is to have clarity. How much money would you like to have in your life? You must have that clarity. People have vague ideas. I want large sums of money. I want to be a millionaire. I want to be a billionaire. But what kind of picture you have when you see yourself as a millionaire or billionaire, or how much amount of money would you desire to have in your life? What is the basis behind that? Like, what do you think? Why do you need that money? So having all that clarity is must, because that gives you an idea, that gives you a foundation, and that also gives you a motivation. Because when you know why you want to create some money, why you want to have that amount of money, you have some motivation behind and an inspiration from inside to act and to take actions, to do more, to be more, to have that money, right? Now, the second point comes when you have clarity, then you can train your mind by affirming any affirmation or affirmation. There is a difference between affirmation and affirmation. Let's talk about affirmation, why you should speak, why you should chant, and form an affirmation for your desires, for the purpose, for the money that you want to create. So, affirmations are those sentences or those are those questions which have got your desires inside, but with the question why. Suppose you want to be a billionaire. So you can ask a question, why am I a billionaire? Why am I living a life of a billionaire? When you ask this question, you create a vibration and you send a message to the universe stating that you are asking why you are living a life of a billionaire. Universe will start showing you all those reasons to prove you that you are a billionaire and why you can call yourself a billionaire. That's a beautiful way to take action towards your after once you have a clarity, and then you can move ahead and with this affirmation thing, because affirmation doesn't give you the kind of feeling that you have inside when you chant affirmation, like why are you saying so, like I am a billionaire but I know that I'm not a billionaire, then how can I trust that? So here a doubt thing comes. So in order to eradicate, in order to not have that doubt part in this, using affirmation is better than affirmation. So use why am I living a life of a billionaire? Why my personality is so charismatic? Why am I so rich? Just ask these questions to after getting the clarity. The third part is mental rehearsal. So many times I have stated this and it's really a useful exercise. Assume that you already have this amount of money with you and visualize how you are living your life. And then, whatever the amount of money you have created, just allow that to be spent by you in just imagination. So, in imagination, in your visualization, you're spending money on different heads. The similar amount of money, like if you have 1 million dollars. So, like if you have $1 million, just spend the whole amount many times during the day, and then you'll still have that $1 million with you to spend next time, that to the next time, the next time. So this way you are rehearsing your mind in two ways. First, that you already have this. The second, howsoever you spend this money, you still have. That means you have this money and you will have this money. So you create the energy of safety around having money. So this is the third thing. Fourth point that you should do, or you can do if you like to, you can create a vision board. And I prefer to create a vision board in different ways. I'll explain the vision board next time. But you can make a normal vision board where you can put all the pictures that you think you will be doing once you will become a billionaire, or you feel that a billionaire does like that or lives like that. You can take out the pictures from internet, and then you can put them on your vision board, and then this you can see that you have that vision board around you somewhere where you spend most of your time, so that you can off and on see the vision board, and you can have the glimpses of those pictures in you, and you can just absorb the energies of that lifestyle and everything. This way, the four things like clarity, affirmation, spending money, and training your brain to have more of money, and then finally creating the vision board. These are the four things that can help you very easily in rehearsing your brain, your mind, to have more and more money in life. So stay tuned to my channel for more such beautiful tips and exercises that I'll keep giving you every Monday. And you can contact me for one-on-one coaching, because I can help you for taking from your painful points to the solution places, and I can show you the desired destinations very easily in shorter period of time. So get in tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.